Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 11 64-bit and an Asus UEFI firmware. Once done, back up your files and create a Windows Recovery USB in case of boot issues. Make sure fast startup is disabled in Power Options. This prevents hibernation locking the firmware. Restart and press F2 or delete to enter UEFI. On some Asus models use ESC then F2. You're now in UEFI. Proceed directly to Secure Boot Configuration from the Main Advanced or Boot tab. You'll now configure Secure Boot keys in UEFI. First switch to Advanced mode if the firmware shows Easy mode. Navigate to Boot or Security, then find Secure Boot Settings. Change the OS type to Windows UEFI. This tells the firmware to accept Microsoft signed bootloaders. Next, choose to install default Secure Boot keys or enroll Microsoft keys. This loads the platform key, PK, key exchange key, KEK, and signature databases. Once keys are installed, toggle Secure Boot to enabled, then save changes and reboot to test. You finish by saving UEFI changes and rebooting. Confirm Windows starts without errors. If Windows fails to boot, use the Recovery USB to run automatic repair or rebuild boot configuration data. This repairs bootloader issues caused by key enforcement. If problems persist, update the Asus BIOS/UEFI to the latest version, then return to Secure Boot Settings and reset or re-enroll keys. One key troubleshooting tip: disable Secure Boot temporarily, boot into Windows to perform repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.